Welcome. Let's have a look at this question. Number 3. 5 times a certain positive number is subtracted from twice the square of the integer. The result is 63. We have to find the integer. So first thing first, we need to know what the integer is. So we can just say we let x be the integer, right? So if x is an integer, we are saying that 5 times that integer is subtracted from, meaning we need to have the second part of the statement first before we subtract the 5 times the number. So we are going to have twice, mean 2 times, twice the square. So this means that 2 times the square of the number or of the integer. 5 times the number is subtracted. The result we are having is what? 63. So this can generate a quadratic equation, rearranging it to have 2x squared minus 5x. This is coming as negative 63 equals 0. You find the factors of negative 63 times 2. That will be 126. So you find factors of 126 as what? Negative. When you add, you get a negative value, meaning the biggest factor has to be what? Negative. And when I check the factors, I should be having 14 and 9. So let's say we have our bracket. We have x. The first factor must be positive, which is the smallest one. So let's say we have negative 9. Now, if the negative 9 must be positive, then x will have negative what? 14. That's the only way we can get a negative answer. When this and this is added, it will give us a negative 5. But when multiplied, it will give us what? A negative 63. But we multiply by 2. So now we divide by that 2 so that we can have our x plus 9 on 2 equals 0, or x minus 7 equals 0. This can be computed. Let's transpose. So x will become negative 9 on 2, or x will become what? Positive 7. We are looking for a positive integer, not a negative integer. So the answer is going to be what? The option A as what? 7. I believe well understood. Like, share, and come back to question 4.